an expected boost for Narendra Modi and some controversies. We are talking about Rajnath Singh's new team for the 2014 elections. The Gujarat Chief Minister is back in the BJP Parliamentary Board after a gap of 6 years. He'll also be a member of the Central Election Committee. His close aide Amit Shah, the former Gujarat Home Minister who is out on bail in the Sohrabuddin Sheikh fake encounter case, has also been made General Secretary. Smriti Irani has been made BJP Vice President, but senior BJP leader Yashwant Sinha as well as Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan have been left out. Varun Gandhi's appointment as General Secretary too has drawn fire.
गांधी परिवार की जंग नहीं हो सकती है। गांधी जहाँ नाम जुड़ा होता स्वाभाविक प्रमुखता मिलती है, चाहे बीजेपी में हो चाहे कांग्रेस में हो, तो गांधी परिवार का लाभ तो मिलेगा ही।
It was more or less a foregone conclusion, although there were two names which were under consideration from Gujarat, Purushottam Rupala, Amit Shah, and to an extent also Om Mathur, although he's from Rajasthan, but then he's worked very closely with Narendra Modi. But in the end, it seems that Mr. Modi insisted on Amit Shah being included in the team. Ideally, Rajnath Singh would have wanted some other name, but yes, he had to give in and accommodate him in the team. The common refrain that we are hearing is that it's something which is in the court of law, the matter, the allegations or accusations against Amit Shah, and till the time he's not proven guilty, he is innocent. But yes, very clearly, Rajnath Singh has reached out and accommodated Narendra Modi. His exclusivity has been maintained when he has been inducted as the only Chief Minister in the Central Parliamentary Board. JDU has been very vociferously saying that Modi being projected as Prime Minister candidate would be something which is not acceptable to Nitish Kumar. But BJP's projection of Narendra Modi within the party is something which the JDU as an alliance partner cannot object to. So I think keeping that in mind, it's a very well calibrated move which Rajnath Singh has undertaken at this point in time. From here onwards, the party will have to take two important decisions, both at the level of the RSS BJP confabulations and probably later at the level of the NDA, whether BJP will have a national campaign committee and whether Narendra Modi is going to be heading that national campaign committee.